All right, y'all, so we ready to give y'all another room tour. This is the third room that we done had. We've been here 2 days, we done been in 3 rooms, 2 suites. We had the penthouse suite in the Chelsea Tower, and now we got a penthouse suite in the South Tower. But yeah, when you first walk in, you know, that's a connecting, in case you got a connecting room. Then we got a bathroom right over here. There's 1 bathroom, there's 2 bathrooms in here. This one don't have no shower though, so just straight for you know what I mean? You got do your business. Got a nice little mirror over here. Nice little sink area for real. That joint hard. Got some closet space right here. I mean, there's some standard stuff. Iron board. Your safe in there. Man, look at this living room area though. Big living room. Got the ocean view over here. Man, look at this view, guys. This thing crazy, gang. Like, we right on the ocean, man. They did us right for my birthday, boy. I'm trying to tell you. This trip had so many ups and downs, but it was mainly because of the room. Got a nice little couch here. That ain't no pull-out couch. That's like a official couch. Then you got the little joint right here. Nice little table over here. Nice little lamp. Right here, kick your feet up, you know what I mean? Ain't no view over here, but got a nice, this is a light, you know, got a TV right here. Come on this side, show it to you. Got a TV right here. Got a bunch of stuff up here. This is a little wet bar area, you know what I mean? Ice bucket. This joint got... That's crazy. Got plenty of space up under there. Then we gonna show y'all the king bedroom, you know, the king suite, you dig? It's the king suite, not the queen, not the 2, you know what I mean? But you come up in here, it's nice. Big bed, king bed, you know what I mean? Got the 2 nightstands. On this side, you got you got some more space over here. Another closet, another iron board. Now I got 2. 2 irons, 2 ironing boards. Got the full body mirror right here, you know what I mean? Get ready for the game type shit. Little foot, I mean. Shit, at the end of the bed. Got a view in the bedroom of the ocean. This lit. This lit, man. I wish we, But yeah, got a whole nother TV in here. Sitting area, desk, phone, just some standard stuff. Here with a second bathroom in here. This the master bathroom. Sheesh. Stand up shower in here. Oh yeah, it's nice. Shoot, I ain't gonna hold you low key. I think the shower was broken out of it. It ain't had this little sliding door. Man, this thing right. All right. I mean, nice little area. That's the women's favorite area right there. But yeah, this thing fire. This one better than the other penthouse.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, this joint crazy. About to chill out for a second. I'm about to fully get dressed, you know what I mean? But yeah, crazy in here. Got the penthouse, 2 penthouses and 1 trip is crazy.